So, I moved into an apartment, as you can see. I don't have a futon anymore, I actually have a real bed. Yeah, that's a wall behind me. It's a wall. It is a wall! I'm excited. I have a wall, not a crap-ass futon. I have a nice, awesome mattress. And I live on the 4th floor, so it's kind of difficult. It was difficult to move everything. But, it's better than having nothing. Absolutely, absolutely nothing. Yeah, I'm kind of hyper right now. I don't know why. Yeah! Hyperness! Okay, update. Other than the fact that I'm living in an apartment and not in my grandma's house with my boyfriend. I'm gonna be 18 soon. Today is the 3rd, and my birthday is on the 10th. So, everybody wish me a happy birthday. There's not much new other than the creepy guy that lives next door was talking to me about my feet and asked me how old I was. I found it to be really creepy. Wouldn't you find that creepy? A little bit. These are my new glasses. I need these to see. Turns out they're Armani. I didn't know that until some guy pointed it out. There's really not much that's been new at all. Nothing exciting to report other than the fact that I'm gonna be 18! I don't know why, I'm so hyper. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm gonna be 18, I moved into an apartment. Saw Cassie and Derek the other day. Hi guys, I love you so much. I saw Leanne, yesterday. Leanne, I love you so very, very much. I miss you like crazy. My life is so boring without you. I never get to see you anymore. Cassie, Derek, don't feel bad. I actually do see you guys every now and then. I do talk to you every now and then, so yeah, I do love you guys very, very much. That's about it, really. I'm gonna get my ear pierced, and I'm gonna get a tattoo, because I'm gonna be 18. That's about it. I don't know, I feel pretty today. I don't know why. I didn't straighten my hair, but I just feel pretty. Alright. Thanks, YouTube, for listening. If you listen to all of this, then just like send me your address and I will mail you a gift because you have no time on your hands and I respect that. So mail me your address, like in my inbox, and I will mail you something. Grapes or a dildo, I don't know, depending on who you are. Alright, bye.